Hello students, welcome to your maths class. In the previous class, I told you that whenever we are given with the two linear equations, then there are three methods that how we will draw these linear equations. That were the parallel line, intersecting lines or coincident lines. Today we will learn about the graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. Let us discuss about that. Let us consider two linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, so how we will have to do? We have to compare the ratios. Ratios of coefficients, that is a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then how will be the graphical representation? The graphical representation will be the intersecting line, means in this way. Okay, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, if these two ratios are equal, then we have to find the third one ratio also, that is c1 upon c2. If c1 upon c2 is also equal to these ratio, then the lines will be coincident lines in this way. Okay, and if c1 upon c2 is not equal to these ratio, then the graphical representation of lines will be the parallel lines. Next is how will be the algebraic interpretation. If these ratios are not equal, then algebraic interpretation means for a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, we have only exact one solution. Why? Because these are intersecting lines and these lines are intersect at one point. Okay, for this ratios we have infinitely many solution. Why many? Because these two lines are intersect at many points. Next, if this ratio will occur, then the lines will be parallel and there will be no solution. No solution because parallel lines will never meet each other. Next, if the lines have unique solution or many solution, then we can say these lines are consistent pair of equations. And if there is no solution, then we can say these lines are inconsistent pair of equation. So let us see an example for that. Consider here is two lines, 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, x minus 2y is equal to 0. When we equate these ratio, we find that a1 upon a2, that is 3 upon 1, is not equal to 4 upon minus 2. As I told you, if this ratio will not be equal, in the graph we can also see that these are intersecting lines. As these two lines are intersected at this point, so this point will be the solution of this equation, that is only one solution. Okay, so consider next lines. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. For this, when we calculate the ratios, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 is also 1 by 2, c1 upon c2 is also 1 by 2. These three ratios are equal, then the lines will be coincident. These two lines are coincident and they have infinitely many solutions. Okay, so next is third equation, x plus 2y is equal to 4, 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. For this, when we draw the graph, we can see that a1 upon a2 for b1 upon b2, but c1 upon c2 is not equal. So we have the lines in the parallel form and these have no solution.